Francisco, what was the rule that you created here?
Plus 2 and negative 3
Plus 2.
for the x and negative 3 for the y.
Class, thumbs up, thumbs down. Okay, this is the trap. That's the trap. Aya, can you tell us what vertex form is?
Yeah, it's A parentheses x minus h plus 2.
Alright, I don't know much about shoes, but I asked a friend of mine who's a sneakerhead that, how do you know you're buying a fake pair of Jordans on eBay? And he'll tell you, like, well, there's certain things. It has to have this here and this there. There's a particular location for this to be real. In math, to make sure it's not a fake, the real formula has to have a minus sign. It has to be there. Okay? Class, let's rewrite this together. We're going to write this one as what? X minus what? Negative 2. Why did we do that? You can use your fingers. H value is equal to what? Negative 2. The rule should be a minus 2. Raise your hand if you got minus 2. And then you should have there minus 3. What does that mean? That means for every x value, we're now going to subtract negative 2 from. And every y value, we're going to subtract a negative 3. So negative 2 plus 0, negative 2 plus 1, negative 2 plus 2. This will become what, class? In yellow. Negative 2. And then the pink, we need to do minus 3. This will become minus 3, minus 2, 1. To give yourself an idea of what we've been doing in this class, here in purple is our parent function. I just took family pictures this weekend, and if you look at my kids, you'll say, oh yeah, they look like Mr. Ng, right? This is the parent function. So that's 0, 0, 1, 1, right, 2, up 4. And then we've been learning to find points that are symmetrical. Symmetrical means across where the vertex is. The vertex is basically the lowest or highest point. In this case, it's this point. And so this is what the parent function would look like. But, you know, kids, you grow up and you look like your parents, but you got to move out. And you have to move out and go up and down in this life. So this one is negative 2, negative 3, negative 1, negative 2, and 0, 1. You'll recognize that 0, 0 was our vertex, so this one's going to be our vertex. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a line of symmetry. And from this point, now I'm going to find symmetrical points. So instead of right 1, up 1, we're going to do what? Left 1, up 1. How do I get to the next one? Left 2, up 4. Question. I graphed these points. Question. What does it mean to go left? Said it out loud. What does it mean to go x minus 2? Which direction are we going from the purple? So this is left 2. What does y minus 3 mean? Down on the y-axis, how many? 3. So look here. From the parent graph, you're going left 2, 1, 2, and then down 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So I think it helps to create a rule. Apply the rule to the parent function. You don't need to graph both of the functions, but you can kind of visually see what's happening.